Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, running boards, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, power steering, cruise control, clock, trip odometer. Come take a test drive today.